Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2002 Honda Civic Ex, and what I'm doing is I am cleaning the throttle body. She just wants some maintenance done here. This car has over 200,000 miles on it, so she wants me to clean the throttle, and that's what I am going to do. And the throttle is right under this filter right here, under this box right here, and it's right under there. So what I'm looking at is that we have to take this nut right here, one, you see it's 2 and 3. That's what I see so far right now. And what you're gonna need is a 10mm socket, a long extension, and I'm using a 3/8 drive. And goes one, we're gonna take that one off. That's one. 2. I'm hoping it's only 3. And no, 1, 2, and this is 3. So that's 3. And I was looking at this wire harness right here. This wire harness. So I'm just gonna take this wire harness right here, this connector. I took the 3 bolts out and it's still not coming out, but I see that we have these holes here, so we just have to just disconnect it. All we have to do is just press it in. Press it in and move it back, push it back. We're gonna push those holes back. Probably stuck in there, so you have to be careful when you take them out. Okay, you just want to use a flathead screwdriver and pry it real slowly there. Okay, I got my flathead screwdriver, so you just want to pry it slowly. You don't want to break it, you just want to loosen it, go around it. Okay, so that's loose. I was also looking at this right here. Look like it has a little Phillips screwdriver right here. But what I'm going to use is a 8mm to loosen it up right in there. Okay, I'm gonna loosen that up a little more and take this out, and I'll be right back. So once you loosen that up, so you do have to loosen it up. You can use a Phillips screwdriver, like I said. I use an 8mm socket, and what this does is loosen it up where the throttle is at. And then what you got to do is, remember where the hose is at, push it back, and then put it up. And when you put it up, it gets loose from right here. Okay? So let's just push it to the side for now. And there goes, oh my God. Look at that throttle. That throttle is dirty. Wow. Wow, it is dirty in there. You see that? So we're just gonna clean it up. And I'm gonna be using right here, throttle body air intake cleaner. Get a clean rag. We're just gonna clean it up, spray it in there, get it soft first. Remember how it looked it. Oh man. What is in there, I'm just gonna okay. So I'm just gonna make sure you disconnect your negative battery. Just gonna let it there for a little bit so it can soak a little bit. Start cleaning a little bit, then I'm just gonna open it up a little. Make sure you disconnect the negative battery, okay? Here's the rag. The rag was nice and yellow. You see how dirty it is now? This car's gonna run much better once we finish here. What's up, buddy? Okay.
Figuring something out?
Yeah, if you get that, did you get the drill for me?
No, the guy told you to break the hub up.
Huh?
He said just to crack the hub.
I mean, we can do it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish cleaning this and I'll be right back. So what we have to do to clean inside, we already cleaned outside. You want to be careful. You want to press this because you're gonna have two hands, and you want to spray it inside there. Once you spray it, you're gonna spray it in there. Want to hold the camera for me? Right here. I got the owner of the car. I'm gonna have her hold the camera for me. just aim right in there. Just right in there. So while she's aiming in there, what you have to do is just press this right here. Open the throttle. And you want to spray inside and clean it up real good. Take all that dirt out of there. And you're going to see how your car is going to run much better. Thank you. That was the owner of the car helping me out.
Yes, sir.
Should I give a discount?
Yeah.
As you see, I cleaned it up really good. You can see the dirt in the rag. Right here was really dirty. So once you clean it, you just want to put everything back the reverse side. But let me just show you that the Phillips screwdriver that I used. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, you see all that stuff that just came out of there? Look at this. That's giving me indication that there's something living in here. Let me just see. Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's the filter. And it looks like a squirrel or something. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that in there. So I'm going to have to change the filter for her. Okay. We're doing the throttle right now. But I'm glad I saw that fucking show her. Look at this. Look at that. Let me just... Look at this. Alright, we'll take care of that for her too. I'll let her know. I'll clean it up for her. So let me just show you the Phillip I was talking about. This is the Phillip right here. See, this is right here. This is the Phillip. You need a Phillip, or I use the 8mm socket. And you want to do is open this up, because this box right here is hold on. It holds on to the throttle. I gotta make sure that none of that stuff fell in here after I cleaned it. So what you want to do, you're gonna turn it around, and you're gonna put this part right in there, and this part right here, the hole, should go right in through here. Let me make sure there's nothing in there also. Looked like something was living in there. I'm gonna show her, she's gonna laugh. Okay, I just put all this back. Once you put the box down, the first thing you want to put is this part right there. I want to put, see if I can show you clearly. Goes the flashlight. So you want to put this part right in there. Right in. You see? You press it in. Make sure it's turned, because you're going to have to put the screw in there. Then you want to put the hose. Put the hose back. You put the hose. You want to make sure that you put this part back in there. So you're gonna have to press it in. Rose, I need you, baby. Come on. Okay, my friends, I was having a hard time putting it in here. The reason why I was having a hard time is the best thing is just to take it off from here, this little plastic, and then you just want to put it inside. You put it right inside, like this. Okay, right in there. You put it in there. Once you put it in there, let me just clean it a little bit. What you want to do is, want to turn it, make sure it's all the way in. Okay, once it's in, what you want to do is just take this plastic, the tube, you know what, I just put it in first. And then you just want to press it all the way down. You press it in just like that. Make sure it's in. Make sure you point over here, mama. Make sure you put this hose back inside. Doing a good job, baby. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Then the best way is to put the hose first. I got it in. Make sure you push it all the way in. Once it's in, don't forget the clip that's here. And this one is kind of loose. I'm going to let her know I'm pressing it with my finger. But you want to use one of these to put it in there. That's in there right there. So now it's in. Make sure, thank you mama, you did a good job. Don't go nowhere. So I put the hose in. Make sure you put the box with right in there. And then what you're gonna do is, remember that Phillips screw that I told you about, that I used the socket. What you want to do is make sure, I think I got it for him, mama. Thank you. I couldn't do it without my daughter. What I'll do is screw this back up. I think with the socket it works much better. You just want to keep screwing it back in until you fit it nice and tight. Not too tight. You don't want to break it. Remember, that's holding the throttle and the air box. Now that you know that's in, make sure the air box is, throttle is in. Throttle is nice and in there. Make sure nice and in. We're gonna put the 10mm screws back. It goes one right here, one goes here. The other one goes right in here. And this one goes right in here. So just kids playing, screaming. I'm gonna use the socket, the 10mm socket. With the 3/8 ratchet. I'm in my last bowl here. Make sure you screw that one in. This one. And make sure you also do this one. And don't forget the harness. Goes the harness right here. Connect it back in. All you gotta do is just push it in. And double check, triple check. Always double check, triple check, make sure everything is good. Okay, so everything is connected, plugged back in. Okay, my friends, so this is how you clean the throttle on a 2002 Honda Civic Ex or LX?
EX.
EX, I always get it wrong. And at the beginning when you're gonna start it, it's not gonna start because you gotta give it some seconds, but then it'll start. But if you saw, this car's gonna run much better. Where is the? See, it takes a little while. You give it a few seconds, and then it will start. So don't get scared when you clean your throttle that it doesn't start right away. You wanna get in the camera?
Huh?
You wanna get in the camera? You wanna say hi to my friends? No, that's why I'm pointing down.
We'll wait.
Oh wait. So here you go, my friend. If you want to clean the throttle, just remember just 3 screws, the wire harness, and in the side, and clean it, and you're gonna see how your car runs. And just let it run idle for like 5 minutes, and you should be okay. Later, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below, or contact me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. Later.